Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to do a blue smoky eye using two of my palettes. So if you guys want to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. So to begin, I'm going to be taking my primer by Maybelline and I'm going to be applying that all over my eyelid. Alright, so I'm going to begin by applying color Low Blow for my Urban Decay Heat Palette, and I'm going to be applying that all over my crease area. Alright, so now we're going to be going in with color Ashes, and I'm going to be applying this to my outer crease. So we're going to start building up our dark color on the edge of the eye. So here I'm just going to be removing the tape for just a little bit, just to blend out some more color underneath the eye, because we don't want a perfect line. We do want it to blend everything together. So here I'm going to be going in with the Naked Urban Decay Basics palette, and I'm grabbing the Crave color and I'm going to be applying it right on top of Ashes, because I did want to have a darker look since we are doing a blue smoky eye. So you just want to go ahead and apply that right on top and then just blend everything together. Now I'm going to move on to the Masquerade palette by Juvia, and we're going to start with this very light blue. It's like this aqua color, and we're going to apply that right on top of the lid with a flat brush. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to this darker shade, and it's also a dark blue. I know on the camera it looks kind of purple, but it's a very bright blue color, and I'm going to be applying that right on top of that lighter blue.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me.
Alright, so now for eyeliner, I'm going to be grabbing NYX's Liquid Matte Eyeliner, and I'm just going to be applying a very thin line. So now for mascara, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Volume Express mascara, and I'm going to be applying that only to my top lashes for now. So before we move on to the face on foundation or concealer, I'm going to be applying this blue color right on my lower lash line. Alright, so now moving on to my favorite is CoverGirl's Healthy Elixir Foundation, and even though this is a drugstore product, I love wearing this foundation. It's very light on the skin, and most importantly, it will last all day. So now I'm going to be applying Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in light medium.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up.
Now moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be grabbing MAC's Blunt Color and I'm going to be applying it to the hollow of my cheeks. Now for the setting powder, I'm going to be using Laura Mercier's powder and I'm going to be applying it right on top of my concealer and also at the bottom of my cheeks just to define my face a little bit. So while I leave that powder on, I'm going to be applying some mascara to my lower lashes. Alright, so now moving on to blush, I'm going to be grabbing MAC in color Copper Tone.
Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs.
So now I'm going to be grabbing that light blue. And I'm going to be grabbing just a little bit and applying it on the tear duct. So you can take just a small brush, or in this case I'm just grabbing a Q-tip and I'm just going to be applying that, and that way we can have a more dramatic look to our blue smoky eye. Now for highlight, I'm going to be grabbing Dripping Gold from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Now for the lips, I'm going to be grabbing Iluvsarahii's ColourPop collection in color Curvy.
It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all.
For the lipstick, I'm going to be grabbing color More Creamer Please by the Dose of Colors Desi Perkins and Katie collection. And to complete the look, I'm going to be applying my Mario Badescu setting spray. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!